FiiO's officially announced their brand new FT3 32Ω edition headphone. This is an update to the original FT3. The FT3 came out a while back, and a lot of complaints were put out to FiiO because it became a bit hard for a lot of people to drive that particular headphone properly. It was a huge problem. So what happened is that original FT3 came with a 350 ohm impedance. It made it very difficult for most amp, especially people now that are getting into amp dongle DACs and all that. People would buy a dongle, but they won't be able to drive the headphone properly because it needed more power. So that was a huge problem, and the company decided to update it by releasing the FT3 32 ohm edition, and it comes in a black color. Now, along with this black 32 ohm edition, they also released the white version of the original FT3. Now, the white edition is going to still come with the same 350 ohms. So that's a bit of the thing you need to know. Both of these two models are coming with a 60mm dynamic driver. Now, the technology of the dynamic driver is different for both. The original FT3 came with a beryllium plated gasket with a diamond-like carbon design. Now the new model, the new 32 ohm edition, comes with a liquid crystal aluminum metal plated diaphragm. So you're getting an LCP driver in the new model, while the older model has a beryllium plated diaphragm. So this is the big difference between the two. 32 ohms is the impedance of the new one, and it's easy to drive, very easy to drive. It even has a sensitivity of 110 decibels, so it's quite easy to power. The original model had a sensitivity of 105 decibels. It wasn't the easiest to drive. It did come with 350 ohms of impedance. Now, the old model comes with a 3-meter cable length. So the cable length of the original FT3 was very long. The new model comes with just a 1.5-meter cable. So the cable of the new model isn't very long. So that's a bit of the problem. You just have to know the differences between these two. The original model came with a full monocrystalline copper cable, while the new model comes with a high purity silver plated cable. Maybe not as great as the original Japanese cable that came with the original FT3. Both of them come with dual 3.5mm connectors. So that's what you need to know. Now, one other thing is the connectors that you get in the box. The original had a 3.5 single-ended 4.4 balanced connector. You get a 6.35mm connector, as well as an XLR connector. But then the new one doesn't come with an XLR balanced connector. So that's just the main difference between the two. So in terms of price tag, the new model is going to go for $300 on Amazon. So that is the price right now. So I'm going to drop details for you guys. If you want to check it out, subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.